With a primer coat of lead belcher, we will now apply a few layering effects to complete our base. We now have the first layer of paints. We will let it dry, and then we will apply a second layer, and then a third layer with effects. The Wraithbone primer is now dry. We will now add a base layer so that way we can detail next. Our Wrathbone primer has finished on our main figure. Our first layer of red is just finishing up as it dries, and our clean wash is now going ahead and resting until we can go ahead and apply another layer of colors to increase the look of all the effects going on. We will now cast some of the armor pieces in Retributor armor to go ahead and give everything a base layer before we start gluing it all together. We have now finished base coating our model and are now going to start assembling and basing. The cape has finished receiving 2 layers of shading and is now ready to be mounted. All the glued pieces are now fully intact and together. Next, we will go ahead and shade the armor, and we will also give the fleshy part some tones to make it look more realistic. The blade has already been completed with touches and highlights of both yellow and a shading of sepia. Our washing is now finished, and we have now based the model. It is now fully mounted and ready for any type of use in a Warhammer 30K Horus Heresy play or board game scenario.